Alright, so reviewing the Hansshow Rearview Mirror. Just want to give a shout out to Hansshow for sending me the Rearview Mirror product to review. Getting started with the unboxing, you can see the packaging comes in a very nice presentation. Taking it out, one noticeable thing is the mirror is a lot bigger than the stock that Cybertruck provides. So that was good to see. Now, popping out the stock mirror is very straightforward. You're just going to take the trim tool that they provided, and you're going to use a 20 size for the screw. There's one screw holding the mirror in, and you're just going to go ahead and unscrew it. And once that's done, you're going to just pop it out. It comes right out. Next, this was wasn't really necessary. But I went ahead and put the truck in service mode, which killed the AC, so kind of wish I hadn't done that. But anyways, it's not necessary. You're just going to go ahead and pop the brackets off that you can see removing with the provided trim tool. So once you pop those out, you're going to want to run the two wires through, one for the camera and one for the power. So I went ahead and just ran it through. Each wire, run it through, and then you're going to take that same screw and pop it back into the original hole with the T20 and screw it into place. Again, you can see this mirror is substantially bigger and actually has a front-facing dash cam as well. So a little bit of redundancy, but nonetheless, I like it. Now you're going to see I'm running the power wire down through the trim. That's where we're going to access the power. So you're going to pop those brackets off. And once you pop them off, you'll be able to see what I'm doing. But you're just going to go ahead and pop off. And there you go. So you'll be able to see the power plug where we're going to tie into. Very straightforward. You're just going to remove the power plug, like so, and then you're going to take that routed wire that you ran and pop it into place. Once you do that, it just goes back in and the trim pops back on. Now this is the camera wire that you can see I ran through those panels up and over. One thing I noticed was the bracket with the four-way flasher. You got to be really careful when you position that. But anyways, moving on, under the airbag and removing the door bracket is how you're gonna route that wire. So you're gonna route it through, go up and under, and then you'll see you can come tie in and come through at the top of the back part of the panel there. It's a very tight squeeze, but once you get it through, you're pretty much all set. And then you're going to center that camera and just mount it in place. I like to clean it with alcohol, but you can see it's very straightforward. And driving is a lot of fun with it, especially when you're signaling. You can still see the rear view when the signal light turns on, which is nice. And then one thing I noticed when I was driving South Padre for their latest SpaceX launch, the rear camera got dirty. The stock rear camera got dirty, but the Hansshow camera stayed clean. So that was kind of nice. I just captured a quick video to take note of the benefit of having the Hansshow rear view. Overall, I like it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching.